Welcome to Nifty Trade Setup channel. So we'll discuss what happened today in the market and tomorrow what can we expect from the market. So this is a channel we talk about Nifty 100 points, Bank Nifty 250 points, and then Reliance 20 points daily. And yeah, so let's start with the Nifty chart. So what happened today? So none of the plans have matched our today. The market opened or the execution could not be executed because it did not match any of our plans. So no trade for me today personally because yesterday market came so heavily down, and also like even if I had entered here like yesterday, it came and hit the stop loss again. So there is no trade for me today personally. So because market was very volatile in the morning and then took a direction up on the thing to make a wedge. So let's discuss what can we expect from the market tomorrow. Tomorrow, like there are few scenarios that we can talk about it. So if you if there is a gap up above 21,964 above, and the market could sustain green candle above for 5 minutes, I think market will go further up only. So if there is a good gap up, wait for a dip, and then on reversal go for long. We can get a good buy entry, and the target could be 2251 50 or 2200 is what I could see target tomorrow. If there is a gap up, and market could sustain above this one for at least for 10-15 minutes actually here. But if the red candle comes and closes to today's close, then we can expect market going down further, coming down 100 points easily coming down. So for this wedge, market is still not at is given a breakout and already given an entry. It's near to the stop loss. So if market opens flat in this region and then closes below this point 21 900, if it crosses this, go for short, and we can expect 100 points of this for the target of this wedge actually. So these are the trades we have it. If it is a gap down, I think it market we have to see the price action further because it would take our already our target, and then may not. We have to see the price action further price action to go for the entry again. So what we discussed, let's see in the slide. What we discussed is capture no trade day as it did not match any of our plans, and gap up above was 21,964 long, target 100 points or 22,100. Below 21,964, if a red candle closes below today's close, so 21,938, market will we can expect coming down 100 points. And if it is a flat or a gap down, 21,900 below, we can go for a short again, which is again 100 points. So this is about Nifty. Let's talk about Bank Nifty, what we had discussed, and then what can perform, right? So we were expecting if it closes below yesterday's low, probably we can go for short. But immediately after giving the trade, we immediately hit a stop loss and then remained volatile and then sideways. No entry further on that day, today. So tomorrow, again, if a gap up above this one 80, 45, 8, 80, probably go for long. And it's a double bottom target. We have it, which is till 40, like 270 points to 50 points. We are expecting it quickly. It will go. This is above this one. If green and close above, gap up and closes, we have a good target on the upside for the long. But if any chance market comes and closes below, we can expect market going below to 45,300 is what I'm seeing it. But most likely the market, the way it has closed, looks like this first scenario will be more applicable, and we can expect market at least 250 points above once it closes above this 45 8, 870 actually. So this is the scenario we have it for Bank Nifty. And Reliance, I think it gave target today what we expected actually. So we are expecting if market comes and closes, breaks this one, we can expect 20 points. Since first candle was very big, so we cannot have a stop loss above this one. So we have to wait for a bounce, and here's the entry, and we can it gave a 20 points market, and then it remained sideways after that. So this was the only entry possible, and market remained after that sideways. So tomorrow, if market breaks this line which I have marked at 2873. If it closes above this one, probably we can expect 20 points target of 2894. So market will start moving upside if it closes above, and that is one trade. And if it comes and closes today's low, we can expect 2814 is the target of market going down. So these are the two trades we have it for Reliance. So tomorrow is like you can expect on either side of it, on the long side or downside. So based on the opening and first few minutes of candle will tell us that how is the market going to be tomorrow. And definitely we can expect a trending market tomorrow, because last 2 days have been not uh, clear trade that we are getting it, either too volatile or not able to get a good trades on last 2 days. So hopefully we'll have a good trade tomorrow for all these three scripts. Hope you will see this trade, this analysis what you're doing is valuable for you, and you're able to take trades accordingly. And you can like this video and then subscribe to the channels if you're not done so. And also encourage your friends for coming watching these videos in our channel. Thanks for watching this video.